getting over 900 companies reporting this week, including a lot of the restaurant stocks. They used to be not so hot, but now some of them are making new highs or staging big rallies. Which ones should you be watching this week? I put together a list, so let's get right into it. First one out the gate is one of the best charts of the restaurant stocks, and it's Wingstop, not one of the ones you might have guessed. They only have that one miss that mars their otherwise great track record here back in early 2019, but these shares just keep going and, hitting another new high here in 2019. They have pulled back a bit. Is this a buying opportunity? I don't know. We're going to find out. Then switching over to the one you thought might have the best chart is Starbucks, but really it had those years of going nowhere there for 3 or 4 years there. Now I own this one in my own personal portfolio, and I can tell you it was hard to hold on for all those years of going nowhere. Only has that one miss back in 2015, so pretty good track record of beating here, and the shares really exploding now up to new highs, but they too have pulled back. Is it just too expensive, too hot to handle? We're going to find out. Then switching over to the opposite side of things, Habit. This is a burger chain headquartered out in California. And as you can see, they put together some nice big beats here the last 4 quarters, but these shares still continue to sink. They're not as cheap as what you might think seeing this chart as well, but this is one you might want to keep on your short list if you're interested in the restaurants and looking to find some bargains. And then Dunkin Donuts, also with a very nice chart, just the 2 misses, the last one being there in 2017. It too is off those all-time highs, but it's had a real strong start here to 2019. So is it just too hot to handle like a few of the others? We're going to find out on this one too. And then we're going to finish up on the downer side again. Apoyo Loco, this is one of my favorites, also California-based. They are on the chicken side. They have a pretty decent track record, which is the one miss in the last 2 years, but it hasn't done anything for the shares. Talk about going sideways. These have really stalled. I'm not sure who's even in these shares right here, but this is one I'm going to be watching to kind of see if there's, any change in the situation. I'm still waiting for them to get cheap enough for me to get in there, but even with this stalling out, they're not even that cheap. So there's some other names also going this week, including Yum China and just Yum. So you don't want to miss a single episode. I'm bringing you all of these charts all week long and on my Twitter feed. So be sure to tune in somewhere to get everything. And I'll be back again later this week with some more charts.